A lot of what we touched on in the class is just a direct application that I could take back to the shop tomorrow and get started with. So that's outstanding. It's great to come in here and kind of slow the pace down a little bit. It's okay to ask questions. So that's been great. There really hasn't been anything that we touched on in class that I don't see every day as far as everyday application and in the auto body collision industry.
It's definitely a lot better than just sitting at my computer and going through slides, which is pretty much what I do for my manufacturing training. Really getting that hands-on and having somebody there to work with to answer questions is really nice.
Having Brian there to kind of talk about like, okay, this is an engine, this is how it works. So when a technician comes to you and says cylinder 3 is misfiring, the technician just assumes that the service advisor just knows, okay, that's what it is. And then you have to go talk to the customer, and the customer looks at you like, do you even know what that is? So having Brian there to kind of fill in the gap to like, this is what a misfire is on cylinder 3, this is actually what's happening, to then have that knowledge to then sell it to the customer, because you understand and you now know what's happening, so you can relay that to the customer and educate them more.
I definitely would recommend it. If you're a hands-on person, this is definitely the way to go.